1 fractured vertebrae in his neck, 8 weeks of healing, and a class that definitely needs the competition. Well, Jason Anderson is going to be back this weekend in Redbud, which is great. Definitely the 450 class right now is decimated. I mean, everyone being out or injured or not riding because they're doing World Supercross. It's going to be really nice to see a factory guy, a fast guy, a past winner and championship contender, speed-wise, coming back into the competition. So, do I think he's going to trouble Jet Lawrence? No. Do I think he'll probably be like a top 5 guy? Yes. I mean, you got to say with the anemic class that he's going to be joining, but he did say right there on his Instagram, 8 days riding, going to be a little rusty, better than another weekend on the couch. And he's probably right. For these guys who this is all they've done their whole lives, just sitting there every weekend, resting while watching everybody else race, it's got to suck. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he does? Is this just a let's roll around and grab a top 10 for some SMX points, or is he going to be competitive for podiums? But in the comments below, you tell me that. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.